Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use Notion AI to write essays. So first, you have to go to notion.com and make sure that you have created an account right here. So tap on Notion. If you don't have an account yet, what you're going to do is you have to tap Get Notion Started for free or Get Notion for free. Tap on this one. Now, the easiest way to create an account here is to connect this to your Google account. So there are ways or other ways here in how to create an account. But for me, the easiest is just continue with your Google account. So tap on continue, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So what you're going to do to start with a new page, all you have to do is to tap this one right here, the plus icon. Then here you have your new page. Let's just say you have to enter or add a title of your essay here. Now, in order to full screen, you just have to click this one right here so that it would be easier for you to see. It is much visible. To start, you just have to type slash to start a command prompt. So for example, you just have to type slash here and look for essay. Now you should see the essay right here, but if it's not, or if you can't see the essay, then basically maybe you need to upgrade your plan. But don't worry, you can still start or you can still create essay here with just using the basic version of Notion. So if you can't find essay here, even if you type slash and then type essay, then all you have to do, or the other method, is just go and then ask anything here since you're using AI inside your Notion. So you can type slash and then look for ask a question. So you have to scroll down here and then ask a question. So here you can ask question about like how or can you make or can you create an essay about this why failure was my best teacher. Okay, so everything is up to you. You can ask anything that is related to your title. So this is what it looks like. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to press enter or this arrow facing up. And then Notion AI will give you a sample essay about your given title. Now it's up to you if you want to disregard this or if you want to choose this one. So you have your option below. Now, if you want to add more, then again, you have to add again another prompt. So type slash, and then you can also look for continue writing. Okay, so there is option here, continue writing. Or if you want to add your way or your essay, you can just also type it right here. And then aside from that, you can also add image. You can add anything here inside Notion. But basically, that's how easy it is to use Notion AI to write essays. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.